I used to think that things were better than experiences, and my rationale was this. Why would I spend money on a 7-day trip when I could buy a couch that would last 10 or 15 years? This was before I found minimalism and before I found the life-giving benefits of owning less. As I began owning less and buying fewer things, we as a family started spending more money on experiences together. And along the way, I began noticing the research that proves that experiences are better than things. Here are 6 reasons that experiences are better than things. Number 1, experiences result in greater happiness. According to the research, we'll include links to all these studies below. According to research, humans adapt pretty quickly to their external surroundings. As a result, the physical possessions that we buy only bring short-term happiness. But experiences and the views that we have concerning them improve as time passes by. Number 2, experience result in better memories. Some of my most beloved memories from being a child include time with my father, with my parents, with my family, whether it was a short trip to Minneapolis or whether it was just going to a baseball game together as a family. I have very few fond memories associated with things that they bought me, but I have countless fond memories of experiences we spent together. Number 3, experiences result in less clutter. Most of the things that we buy end up becoming a burden to us. They take up physical space in our home, they take up mental space in our mind, they need to be cared for and organized and maintained. Experiences, on the other hand, result in no clutter in our homes going forward. Number 4, experiences result in better connection with other people. Think of the shared experiences that you have with your friends or your family members, going to a concert, enjoying a barbecue, going on vacation, taking a cruise. Each of those shared experiences provide opportunity to connect with other people. And this is where real joy and satisfaction can be found, not in buying things, but in connecting with others. Number 5, experiences result in greater mindfulness, which results in greater happiness. In a really fascinating study in Science magazine in 2010, the researchers concluded that a wandering mind is an unhappy mind. But people who are present in the moment, enjoying the things that are taking place around them, end up living happier lives than those who do not. Number 6, experiences result in less comparison with others. Researchers have concluded that one of the most significant ways that we compare ourselves to others is by comparing the things we own. What kind of car is that person driving? How many carats are in that lady's ring? These are the items we end up comparing with other people. Now, certainly, there can be some comparison when it comes to experiences. I wish I had that person's seat. I wish I went on that person's trip. But over time, the things that we tend to compare ourselves with other people are physical possessions, not the experiences that we have. And so the more we spend money on experiences, the less comparison we tend to do with other people. You have a lot of choices with the money that you have in your life. But study after study will conclude that if you spend money on experiences rather than things, you will be far better off in the long run.